Hello, good morning BTH Vlogger, good morning. Today's November 6, 2024. So, natay combination karon. So, recapping sa result kahapon din. So, recapping no, 146 ang 2 PM, 518 ang 5 PM, 9 PM kay 721. So, please like and share. Nya ay mo kalimot pag-register sa online STL nasa comment section. I-click ra gyud na niya para mataya mo online. Okay? So, please like and share no. So karon natay VIP hot number day. Okay? So hot number for today ako ihatag. So natay 4 combination hot numbers for today: 117, 818, 445 and 343. Okay, 117, 445, 818 and 343. So good luck mga boss. Sana manalo po kayo at certain. Please like and share dan. Salamat.